This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Trax LTZ, stock reference number 3897. This shape runs from the 8th month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. The bonnet appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, tidy front bumper cover, chrome radiator grille, left-hand fog lamp with surround, left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear set 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light to be confirmed once removed. We have the rear wiper arm, rear spoiler, rear tailgate glass. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front guard has two small dents. And right front's 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls with seat warmer, factory MyLink, touchscreen, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, owner's manual and service book in a dealer's case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.